Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be unboxing and a review video of the Samsung Buds Live. Now this is a kidney bean shaped earphone with a lot of features. So let's go ahead, open this up and then see what all do we get in this. So that's what we get in the box. So you get the case itself with the earphone, two extra fins. These are the large ones. You have the small ones on the earbud. You have the quick start guide, the warranty card, and it's a type C cable, but it's not 1 meter, a little short of 1 meter. Now let's take a look at the earphone itself. So this is how the case looks like. It's completely made of plastic, but it's premium. The color is very nice. I don't know how long will it last. I am scared that I'm gonna scratch it, but this is a wireless case, so you put it on any power bank which is wireless. I'll just show you that. Okay, wireless is on, so all I have to do is just put it on top of it, and you see the charging has started. So you can wirelessly charge it. If you have a phone which has reverse wireless charging, then you can use that. Now you have a type C port at the back which allows you to charge it too, so you don't need wireless to use it anyways. Now you have the battery percentage over here for the case, and the battery percentage for the earphones over here. So if it's green, that means it's full. Somewhere between 70 to 100 would be green. When you close this, it will show you the battery percentage of the case. So this is also somewhere between 70 to 100%. So this is how the case looks like. Very nicely built. The quality is really nice, very satisfying magnetic clamp here, and this is not going to break that easily. So very nice build quality. One thing which I really liked about this is this cut that they've made, which makes it easy for me to open it up. Now I have dry hands. You would have seen other videos that I made, the case actually slips from my hand. This one will not slip because they have this really nice design. It's curved from here but flat here, and because of this cut I can grab it easily. Now you see it's not slipping for me. So those are the connectors, left and right are shown over here. Let's look at the earbud itself. Now you have two mics, one over here, one over here. This is the ventilation that they've made for the bass, so it does not, the earphone does not get stuffy. It creates good bass because of this outlet. So this area is the touch sensitive area. Now now you see this is completely chrome plated. Now I chose the red version. You have a lot of other ones. Okay, let's look inside now. Now this is the sensor which senses when you're wearing it. This is the speaker. So this is where the sound comes out from, and this one is your mic. So the microphone which listens to you is inside, so that's why this is very good with the sound. Now even the new AirPods Pro use similar kind of technology, so very nice technology over here. You can change this. This is the small one. You have a bigger one, so you don't have three sizes, you just have one small and one large, and it's easy to put. You won't have any issues with that. Okay, I'm having some issues this time. Okay, and that's the charging port. So right and left is written over here. So that's the software. Now it shows you the battery percentage of the case and of the earphone. You have the active noise cancelling on off. You don't have any other feature. You cannot increase or decrease the active noise cancellation. You have the equalizer over here, but you do not have a custom equalizer. You just have normal, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. Then you have touch controls. You can the only thing that you can assign is the touch and hold. So I've assigned the left one for noise cancelling, the right one for voice command. So if you have iPhone, then the Siri will get activated. If you have an Android phone, then Google Now or Alexa or whichever assistant you have, that will get activated. So this is how it works. So you tap once, play, pause. You double tap next track or answer or end call, and you triple tap, you go to the previous track, and you touch and hold. Whatever you assign here is what will come up over there. So that's it. Now this is something which I like. Now they have this option where they relieve the pressure in ambient sound. So when you're not using noise cancellation, you want sometimes a lot of people have this stuffy feeling, very empty feeling when you have these kind of earphones. They want the outside sound to be introduced. So you put this on, and then the mics will get on, and then they will introduce the outside sound. So that's a very good feature. I actually like that. I use it when I am working out. I am actually walking around doing my walks or cycling and all. I use that feature because I can hear the background. So I think that should be a main feature instead of just a lab feature. Then you have find my earbuds. If you do that, you can just remove this, keep it somewhere. It will detect if you're using it. If you're not using it, then this will work. So you can choose which one should ring, which one should not ring, and then you can find the earbud. So that's a very good feature. Stop that. Now in general you just have reset, that's it. So that's all the feature. Then you have earbud software update. That's nothing, I mean that's the same everywhere. And then you have regular tips and tricks. The only thing I don't like is when you choose manual, it goes to a page where it says not found. There's no page like that. So I don't know why does that happen. They should be fixing that link. So that's all. That's the only problem that I have. Other than that, all good. Okay, so let's take a look at the Android device now. So you have similar options. Actually, you have the same options. You have active noise cancelling, equalizer, touch control. The only thing which the iPhone is missing is read notification. If you have an Android phone, it will allow you to read out the notification. So the earbud will read out your missed calls or your messages. It will just read out over there. Now the other feature which iPhone misses is the advanced one, where you have the seamless earbud connection. So this is similar to your gaming mode. So let's go ahead and talk about who should be buying this, who is this for. Now let's talk about who is this for. If you want to use it for calling, excellent, because it's got 3 mics, 2 to listen to the background, 1 to listen to you, and it cancels out all most of the low frequency sound. If you want to use it under a helmet, if you are a biker, then this can fit in any kind of helmet, whether it's SMK or whether it's any of these expensive racing helmets or whatever, which grabs your face, grabs your ears. This will fit in all of that. So this is one of the best in that category. So if you want it for putting it under your helmet, this is the best. Now if you want to use it in the gym, the fit is very nice. It does not rely on your ear canal to stay in there. Most of the in-ear ones start slipping after a time when you start sweating. So this will not do that. Now what I don't like is that since it's not an in-ear earphone, it actually just stays there. It does have a little bit of sound leakage, whether it's outside sound coming in or your music going out. So if you blare the music, if you put it at 100%, this one does get loud a lot. There's a lot of sound. So other people will be able to, whoever is sitting near you will be able to hear the conversation or the music. They'll be able to hear it. So that's one thing that you have to take care of. That's one thing you have to remember. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.